in my normal residence now, and apart from the brush roll having quite a lot of hair and whatever else around it, the Vax did a really good job in the residence that was in this video. They had 2 bars battery on it, and it did nearly the whole house apart from one room, so it's uncharged now as we speak. And I had to change the battery just one time just to finish off the room that it didn't manage, and then also the filter got quite dirty, so I'm going to have to wash that. But it was already a little bit dirty anyway, but it's filthy, so filtration isn't the best on this Vax, I've noticed, but it still did a really good job. And all the and the photos in the video that part of the video that showed the contents of the bin actually was it. Obviously I wouldn't fake anything like that because there's no point. And this Vax just does a really good job. Going to tip it over. So as you can see, I'm going to have to clean the brush roll now, but that doesn't matter. It's got really stiff bristles on it, which is really surprising for a machine like this. I wanted to give it a very quick demo, just to show it on these new rugs that we got yesterday. There's a little button there that you press. See, all 3 bars are lit. So I'm just going to vacuum through quickly. So it did actually pick up a bit fluffy despite it being vacuumed already today with the Dyson V8. Actually I want to show you a really quick demo of the light and the dark. So it's got a little light on it, so I want to show you that in complete darkness on this second rug. The light's really good on it. Picked out quite a lot more. I didn't expect this video to turn out the way it is, where it's like a little review, but so you got boost mode there, power, brush roll on and off, and this is to lift it away. Ease of use, yes, it's quite easy to use. I won't show you all the tools now, but possibly in another video. But it's got quite a nice selection of tools with it. I would like a little upholstery brush with it, like you get on Dysons. But the shorter tools aren't that bad. Areas for improvement is the suction on the low power is quite low on the hose. Quick demonstration. It's not that bad, but it's not quite as good as Henry Cordless on low. But it does a job, and it really did pick up all the stuff in that other residence that I was filming earlier. And also another thing I don't like about it is the filtration. It's not very good. 2 houses other than my own I've cleaned and it's got this dirty. Another thing that was a problem with it is the straw got clogged, so I had to I had to take this inside bit out, just pulling it to let the dirt fall out, but you can see a bit better inside the bin. So that needs to be improved, but overall it's a really good machine. I would highly recommend this machine to someone, especially if you want something for quick cleanups. It's ideal for that. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope to see you in future videos.